Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss with you that just how by merely blocking entrance and keeping photos of certain people in Northwest helped my client to start off with his TV channel. Yes, it did happen. It so happened that a few months back, last year, I got a call from my client. He told me, Shruti ji, please help me out. I have been trying to start my TV channel, but all my efforts, I don't know why, they are just not turning out to be fruitful. I have taken loan from the market, which I'm not able to repay. I told him to tell me everything in detail. He told that just before taking the approval licenses for a TV channel, he was in talk with some of the religious gurus and they had assured him that they would be giving their talks on his channel. He wanted to start a religious TV channel. So, after getting their support, he applied for all the clearances and certificates and approvals, for which he had to spend quite some money to have the setup and everything ready. He took loan from the market at very high interest rate. And now, when he has got all the approvals, though there was some delay, but now he has got the approvals, these religious gurus are not ready to help him at all. I told, don't worry, we will just see as per Mahavastu what best we can do. Have you got the plan ready of your office? He told, no, madam, I don't have the exact plan of the office because there are a lot of changes that I have done. It would be better that if you could send some draftsman over here who could take all the required measurements and he would draft the plan. I told him, very well, I shall do that. Next day, my draftsman went to his office. He prepared the draft plan and sent it to me. In that draft plan, I could see a few things. First of all, his entrance from the lift was coming as S5. That means in south, S5 entrance. S5 entrance gives loans and debts. So first symptom was matching there. Secondly, he had kept all his associates, all the religious gurus' pictures in south of southwest. And that was the reason they were not ready to support him now. Second symptom matched. Third, what I noticed was he had a server room in northeast and all the heavy server items were kept in northeast. And that was the reason why he was not getting the clarity which was required to start off with the TV channel. I asked him to merely block the entrance in his office of S5 and then shift all the photos of these religious gurus to northwest. And thirdly, to shift the server to east of northeast because a part of east of northeast was falling in the server room. He told, very well, madam, I shall do this. I asked him to wait for 21 days to 1 month and then get back to me with the status of what is the position then. After around 1 month, 1.5 months, he sent me a message. In that message, he had mentioned that he is launching his TV channel. He also invited me for the launch of the TV channel. He was very happy that finally the TV channel would be launched and he would start earning income from which he would be able to pay off the loans. So this is the magic of Mahavastu. If you also want support from anyone, be it some people in the society or be it your suppliers who are ready to help you or be it bank and you are not able to get their support, just check where you have placed their documents or their photos. If they are not in south of southwest, then you can merely place them in northwest. If they are in south of southwest, then shift them to northwest. Just by doing this, you will get the required support from them. And for any business to run, clarity of mind is very important because only then will you get the correct idea which will lead to good profits. So always check your northeast, keep it balanced. Never keep any heavy items there or never have data storage there. That would lead to blockage of mind. So relate it in your office too. Just download Check My Vastu app, stand in the center of the office and turn towards northeast and check what do you have there, or just see where you have placed the photos of the people from whom you need the support and do as I suggested you. That's it. and you will be sorted. So, do not forget to share your experiences with me. You can either share your experiences down in the comment section or you can message me on mbtrainer.net. I will be eagerly waiting to know and understand your experiences. Thank you.